Are you missing the perfect moment when you're photographing? You see it, but you and your camera react slower than your eyes. It might just be the way you're viewing your subject. Stay with me until the end and I'm going to show you how to capture that moment every single time and create photographs that your audience truly connects with. Like this one, and this one. You're about to see how one simple choice, the way you see the world through your camera, can change everything. The viewfinder takes away all the guesswork. And in these 5 reasons, you will see how it helps you connect with your subject and therefore connect with your audience. Alright guys, reason number 1, immersion. When you use the viewfinder, everything around you disappears. It puts you inside the scene without distractions, without the outside world pulling your distractions away. You stop holding the camera out there like a barrier in between you and your subject. Instead, it becomes an extension of you. It brings you closer to your subject and more connected. Even the way you breathe changes based on what you see. In that instant, your entire world becomes what you see through the viewfinder. The world narrows down. Now you are in the same world as your subject. You're looking at what exists inside the frame. Anything beyond that frame simply just does not exist. And because you're so focused on the world in front of you, your images look completely immersed. When you're that deeply inside the world of your subject, something powerful happens. Let's go deeper into what connection truly feels like. Connecting to your subject can give you images like this one, and this one. Alright guys, reason number 2, connection. Once you're in the same world as your subject, something changes. You stop observing and start feeling. You feel your subject's energy. You feel your subject's rhythm. You feel what they're feeling. And once you start to feel them, that's when you can predict the next move. Even a subtle glance and a shift in the moment is witnessed by you. You start to sense emotions before it happens. When you look through a viewfinder, you're not just framing an image, you're sharing a moment. You feel something is going to happen before you see it. And that's what transforms your photographs from documentation into emotions. Because connection is not created after the shot, it's built before you press the shutter button. It's built the moment you stop being a photographer and being present. Once you feel that connection, your instincts begin to take over. You stop reacting and start anticipating. That's where control begins, and I'll show you how it changes everything. When your camera and your body becomes one and they try to control the shakes together, you can land up with images like this one, and this one. Because your camera and your body now are not 2 different things. Your camera is just an extension of your body. Alright guys, that brings us to reason number 3, control. The viewfinder gives you control, total control. When you hold the camera close, your body becomes a part of the stabilization system. Your breathing, your heartbeat, they move in rhythm with your subject. You start to feel the natural jitters of your camera, and your body, it automatically begins to stabilize itself, which means stabilizing the camera. With that harmony, you and your camera make it easy to control that sharpness. Your focus becomes instinctive. And that is when your photographs change. Because you're not waiting for a moment anymore. You're in the moment itself with your body and soul. You're creating it. And once you gain that kind of control, everything slows down. The chaos fades, the noise disappears. Let's talk about what happens next when focus becomes second nature. That brings us to reason number 4. focus. When you look through the viewfinder, everything unnecessary disappears. No notifications, no reflections, no distractions. Just your subject and you. You don't care what's happening even 2 feet away from you. You're not there. You're with your subject in its world, not yours. And that makes your mind still. In that stillness, you start noticing things you've never seen before. The light, the texture, even the breath of the moment. Every moment feels deliberate. Every choice has a purpose. That is when your art sharpens. Not just in focus, but in meaning. You stop searching for what to capture because you already see it. And in that clarity, your photographs become more than an image. It becomes a reflection of who you are when you're completely present. But it's not just emotional or artistic. There's a practical side too. Let's look at something every photographer faces: glare, reflection, and how the viewfinder makes that problem go away. Okay, so now that brings us to reason number 5, clarity. There is also a practical side to the viewfinder. No glare, no reflection, no fighting the light just to see your image. When you use the LCD in bright conditions, you're guessing more than you're seeing. But through the viewfinder, the light outside doesn't matter. What matters is the light inside your frame. You see your subject exactly as it is, not washed out, not hidden behind the reflections. Every tone, every shadow, every highlight, exactly the way it is. Clear and true. And that clarity doesn't just make your photographs better, it makes your experience of photographing easier, calmer, and far more intentional. The viewfinder isn't just a piece of glass, it's the doorway between you and the world you're trying to capture. You stop chasing the moments and start living them. When you look through a viewfinder, you're not just taking a photograph, you're experiencing it, and that experience will be felt by your audience. So next time you pick up the camera, don't just look at your subject, use the viewfinder and transport yourself into your subject's world. Alright guys, if you need help with your exposure or aperture or shutter speed or spot metering, take a look at this playlist and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.